guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today we are getting things done. I decided to be very productive because let's be honest, these summer days are just full of lazy days for me. It's hard to get up and get going when there's nothing forcing you to, when the kids have to go to school and we have to get out, you have to put on clothes, you have to get your day going and all that good stuff. But these summer days, boy. Anyways, so today we're being productive. I want this video to encourage you to get something done and if it's something small, clean out a drawer. If it's make your bed, it doesn't even matter. Just get motivated and get something done. I hope that you guys enjoy and let's get to it.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time.
Okay, we're going to clean this drawer out. It's been a couple years and it's frankly embarrassing, but we're gonna clean it. Let's get it done.
And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Think about him all the time. I can get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter.
Okay, so I just went to Marshall's and I picked up some different containers because I don't know if I wanted to. Okay, so this one is, you can barely see. Okay, so this one is a 3-pack and they're obviously stackable. It has 2 small ones and they have the little cover to them. And then they have the one longer one and it has the cover. So we got that. And then I got this spinner little organizer so that I can put some of our cleaning supplies. And then I found these that are like drawers. I got 2 of these and they're like, like little drawers. They open, slide. Each of these was $12.99. The 3-pack was $12.99 and then this was $5.99. So let's go ahead and organize, and I'm gonna go through some of this stuff. I don't need most of this stuff down here. Most of it should be in the laundry room. But I've done not a good job. I'm being too nice. I've done a decent job keeping stuff. Yeah, no, I didn't. Okay, let's just move on. Okay, guys, so I did have the two drawers and I really desperately wanted to use both. But the way the sink, underneath the sink, was made with all these tubings, like, why? Why did they have to put all these tubings? And like, don't you know I want to organize under here? Like, we don't need these. I'm just kidding. No, but seriously, this is so hard because nothing ever fits, and I got so discouraged. You see me keep going here, but I took a little break after I realized my stuff wasn't fitting the way I wanted it to. So I got really frustrated. But it ends up coming out okay. I'm not in love, but it's the best that I could do because honestly, I've been trying to get this organized for a while and I just can never get it perfect. But life is not perfect, so it's not going to be perfect. Anyways, it's so much more organized. My husband went in there to get something. He was like, wow. Like sometimes they, they're like, oh, you're always cleaning or you're always, but they appreciate the when they go in somewhere and it's nice and clean, they can appreciate it and they'll like comment and say, little things. So it's nice to hear it, every now and then. Anyways, this is how it came out and it's good. I feel like it's good. We're gonna go ahead and call this good. I feel like we don't need to pack it up. It doesn't need to have all this stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of the stuff in our laundry room.
I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now. Yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
Okay, so I know that I'm not alone in this. I clean my kitchen 2-3 times a day and it's kind of crazy. But it's a part of life during the summer. Anyways, guys, I'm getting, if you watched my last few videos, you've seen I just decorated with the lemons and guys, I'm kind of tired of it. I know, I'm crazy. I want to decorate it in a different way, but I have no idea. I'm not going to because I spent so much money on decorating for lemon, but I'm over it, for real. I don't know, maybe, I don't even know how to explain it, but I'm just kind of over it. I guess I'm seeing fall stuff already, and I don't want fall to come because I'm thoroughly enjoying summer, but I'm just saying the decorations are super cute and I want to go completely different that I did last year. So I'm already starting to look. Like I said, I don't want summer to I don't want summer to end, but I am kind of mentally preparing for fall and seeing all the fall. I just love the feeling of fall, but I don't want fall to come. Does that make sense? Anyways, so here I was cleaning my fridge with this rag that I have, and it sucked. The way I try not to use so many napkins, and I'm like, okay, let's use a rag. But my napkins get it nice and even, clean. You don't see streaks. When I was doing it with this, it just had streaks everywhere. So I ended up wiping it with that, but then, kind of shining it with, I guess you would say shining, with the paper towels. and it worked. And I normally don't dust. Okay, I grew up that we had to dust the whole house every week. My mom had us dust everything and wipe down everything. I grew up doing that. But I don't know, I guess I got lazy as an adult. And so I just go with like spray stuff. And then I find myself with all this dust stuck to the stuff because, you know, you add liquid to it and it just kind of clunks up. But now I guess I just realized why my mom made us dust and then spray. I know you guys probably are like, this girl doesn't even know how to clean. I'm just being honest with you guys. I dusted here and then I wiped with the glass cleaner and it was beautiful. It was like I didn't have to work so hard with the dusting of with the wiping of the mirrors. It was amazing, honestly. It was kind of like a light bulb went off. It's one of those things, you know, your mom is always right. Just do what she says. When you follow what your mom says, your life's going to be easier. She has wisdom. That's why she's your mom.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free.
This is my favorite creamer. I've tried a million different ones and I don't know, they're just most of them are just too sweet for me. I also tried the Aldi brand French vanilla. I did not like that at all. My pretty mug, my kids use all my cups as regular cups because they're dirty. So I'm gonna just use this one. I put a little bit. I've been using Bustelo because it makes espresso. I used to eat this breakfast it was yogurt, oatmeal, and frozen berries. I don't have those, I feel like eating it today. And I don't have frozen berries, but I do have frozen like strawberries and bananas, so I might make that. This is the yogurt that I have on hand. It's not the one I like, but my kids like this one. This is the one I used to eat. But now I like Greek. Wow, that has a lot. This has 80 calories. Put some oatmeal, just a little bit. And this is my favorite granola. I know normally it's one or the other, but it's my breakfast. Your waffle is done, honey. I'm done with you. All right, and that is my breakfast. I could put a little bit of cinnamon, but I don't know. This has been driving me insane. So we're just gonna clean it. These type of things, like, it stresses me out, but I don't take the 5 seconds that it takes to fix it. But it's because I don't just put it somewhere. I'm gonna put it where it goes.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kissed me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, we'd be something to make the starlight jealous up above. I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, we're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me oh, hey, let's go out. When I see you moving, oh, hey, light me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Oh, hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Oh, 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 I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. You make me oh, hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Oh, hey, light me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us, but let the moonlight. Oh, hey, I just said if I was your girlfriend.
So there's a spot, 2 spots that are in my oven that are making like the whole house smell like burnt when I use it. So I'm not doing a deep clean. I'm just gonna wipe that little area. This is my favorite thing to use for the oven.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see.
Guys, cleaning my oven is one of the most annoying things on this planet for me to clean. Like, I break my back. You see me switch hands 5 times because I was so tired. I wasn't even doing like a deep clean. This was just like, okay, I gotta get this off because it keeps smoking up the house. Every time I even turned on the oven, it was like smelling like smoke, like I was burning something. But this took a long time. It just took forever. Anyways, guys, if you've made it this far, I want to tell you thank you so much. You guys are my true MVPs. I love you guys so much. I am so grateful that you're here. And let me know in the comments if you guys have like a video idea for me or something that you'd like to see from me. I know a lot of you like hauls and stuff, but you know, your girl can't be spending money like that because my husband, so you know. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye. Good enough.
Love you, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love.